Spyderco Sprint Run Lil Native, peel ply carbon fiber, solid scales, S90V blade. It's a continuation of the series they've been doing, with the carbon fiber scales and the S90V blades out of the golden plant. Reversible deep carry clip. These are dropping now. Two 10s map, and from what I can tell, Knife Center, Blade HQ, Knife Joy, GP Knives, and DL Trading are all getting ready to to release. I'm not sure about these two this afternoon because I made this morning. So 2.42 blade thickness is 3.2 millimeters. Obviously the big thing here is 2.5 ounces. Anybody who's watched the channel knows that I'm a fan of the Lil Native. Even though I have big hands, I call it my Spyderco box cutter. It is a legit little stout knife. It's a tank. The amount of stuff I've cut with this knife is impressive, what it goes through, how well it's held up. Obviously I just robbed that lynch clip for the Becker. I gotta order a couple more because I want to put one on this too. Because the wire clip just hasn't, I've had to bend this 3 or 4 times before I got the lynch clip because it just would catch on things. And just the way I grabbed the knife, I was just bending it and rolling it in the scales a lot of the times. Here's the pivot. The box. It's a new knife for my son. He's a lineman's apprentice, so I just got this from him. I have to send it off to him. You can see the inspiration for the Lil Native and the Shaman. I might as well just throw this in there. That's that Becker BK40. So these are dropping now if you were interested in them. It's very well made. It's a little steep, but you're getting premium materials. And if you haven't tried the Lil Native yet, I just can't speak highly enough about how strong and how well it cuts. You're not going to be using it to slicing apples, things like that, but for just cutting material and getting a good solid grip, it's tough to beat for a smaller knife. The Spyderco Sprint Run Lil Native S90V with peel ply carbon fiber scales.